Pasyon na on the outside bound. Long pass to Kalamuhoy. Kalamuhoy against Dahilan. Looking for Sama to pass to Pasyon. For two. Rebound by Garrett. Garrett against Tampugaw. Long pass to Archer. This is your completely down. The outside bound pass to Kalamuhoy. Kalamuhoy against Dahilan. Looking for Sama to pass. Long pass to Archer. Archer long pass to Pasyon. Pasyon now. Long pass to Garrett. For two. Follow 45 on the outside bound. Long pass to Tampugaw number 14. Back to Tampugaw number 45. Level the ball. Looking for someone to pass against Kalamuhoy. Tampugaw now. Pass to Tampugaw. 14. Tampugaw number 14. 3 points. Yes now. Garot. Long pass to Pasyon. Pasyon to Kalamuhoy. Kalamuhoy now against Dahilan. Looking for statements. Dribbles and dribbles. Steal. Kalamuhoy. Long pass to Adjur. Rebound by Garot. It's a nice shot by Garot. Number 3, Garot now on outside bound. Long pass to Tampugaw against Kalamuhoy. Dribble the ball. Looking for someone to pass. Long pass to Tampugaw number 14. Looking for his teammates. Back to Tampugaw. To Dahilan for 2. Rebound by Kalamuhoy. Kalamuhoy now dribble the ball. Looking for someone to pass. Long pass to Pasyon. The outside bound. Long pass to Adjur. For 2 is a nice shot committed by Adjur. Score now is 13-16. Thunder Boys join up 3 points. Remaining time left is 1 minute and 45 seconds left to play before the end of the first quarter. Yes now. Dribble the ball. Tampugaw, number 14. Against the time to shoot. Dahilan. It's a nice layup by Dahilan. Adjur now. Pass to Kalamuhoy. Kalamuhoy dribble the ball. Against Tampugaw. Looking for his teammates against Dahilan. Long pass to Pasyon. To Garrett. And the second line by Dahilan. Dahilan now dribble the ball. Long pass to Tampugaw. Garrett for 2 is a nice layup by Garrett. Remaining time left is 1 minute and 5 seconds more to play before the end of the first quarter. The score now is 16-17. Memorial is enjoying of 1 point. Just now, completed. Intercepted by Tampugaw. Long pass to Tampugaw. 50 seconds remaining. Gani! Counter net. D-I-N-G. Lugot. Gani! 45 seconds. Dahilan. Tampugaw. Pasyon. 35. 30 seconds. 25 seconds. 20 seconds remaining. 15. Pasyon. 10 seconds remaining. 10 seconds more to play. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Remaining time left is 3 seconds more to play. 2. And first personal foul for Polo. First team foul for Bubuan. Kalamuhoy. To Kapasyo. Back to Kalamuhoy.
Dosok 1.
Liski. Long pass. Tapis. Long pass to Polo. Polo dribble against Kapasyo. Looking for his teammates. Long pass to Tampugaw number 14 for 3 number. Rebound by Vilyasan. Dribble the ball. Looking for someone to pass against Polo. Long pass to Vilyasan for 3. Rebound by Tampugaw. Tampugaw now. Long pass to Vilya. Long pass to number 7. Pagayaw. Pagayaw now. Long pass to Polo. Polo dribble the ball. Looking for his teammates. Steve. Polo now. Long pass to Linda. Linda now to Tampugaw. Time to shoot. Intercepted by Kapasyo. Kapasyo now attempt for 3. Rebound by Polo. Puro na ang pass to Liga. Liga now to Rahulan. Rahulan against the Passion by 2. Is a nice shot. The middle now is enjoying of 7 points. Kalamuhoy to Vilyasan. Vilyasan.
Ayun, Sinsilyonin, ho. Ito, Sinsilyonin.
Loose power.
Sinsilyonin.
Offensive foul committed by number 8. Vilyasan. Offensive foul. Number 8, Vilyasan, warning for technical foul. Isanansya, action for 3. Lugot, rebound by Taglinaw. Taglinaw now, back to Passion against Pagayaw. Passion for 2. Isanansya layup committed by Passion. Scoreline is 29-22. In favor of Bugwal. Remaining time is 3 minutes more to play. Before the end of the second quarter. Pagayaw, back to Polo. Polo now, long pass to Polo. Long pass to looking for someone to pass, looking for his companion. Long pass to Passion. Passion against Pagayaw. Long pass to Capasio for 3. Rebound by Gani. Gani now to Polo. Polo to Gunamon. Looking for someone to pass against Nico. Polo now. Let's up for 2. Rebound by Passion. Long pass to Nico. Nico to throw. It's a nice layup to headed by Nico. Yes now, Liga. Long pass to Tampugaw. Back to Liga. Liga available against Nico. Looking for his teammates. Steve. Liga now. Long pass to Polo. Polo against Capasio. Back to Tampugaw. Tampugaw against Passion. Back to Liga against Nico. Time to shoot. Is a nice layup to Pagayaw. Long pass to Polo against Nico. Back to Pagayaw against Nico. Looking for someone to pass. Pagayaw now. Gunamon to Polo. Polo now. Long pass to rebound by Passion against Pagayaw. Passion now. Long pass to Nico for 3. Is a nice layup. Mayuwa mo siya pinataahan. Yes now. Passion is at 25 seconds more to play before the end of the second quarter. Tampugaw, Lugo. Decision ito to Passion. Passion de Malabon, pass to Garot. Garot now against Pagayaw.
Ustad, zumba ka, Ustad. Baka Ustad. Di mo to,
Liga against Ito. 50 remaining. Pagayaw. Pagayaw. 34-20. 35 seconds. 30 seconds remaining.
Ayaw, matigapatos mo. Dalgatak.
20 seconds.
Apya. Tulong to niya, no?
50. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,